Do you know you have a universal butler available to you every moment of every day that actually can help you produce the desirable results that you are looking for right now with a lot more ease and a lot more speed? Hey, Scott Haug here, and in this video we're going to be going through how to make law of attraction in the universe work for you, work on your side, and on your behalf. So literally anything that you want, you can manifest consistently and predictably, not hoping it's going to come, but actually have a guarantee and certainty that it can come. Watch the video in full. We're going to go through some points that are some of the most important points in manifestation, that if you really gain the awareness here, you will have the belief, you will have the faith, everything you need to manifest everything you want for the rest of your life, even though that sounds like a big promise. All right, just before we jump into it, throw a like on the video. It's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet a little bit more, help people elevate, help people become aware of themselves. And if we can help other people do that, then we're going to be helped as well energetically. Go ahead and click subscribe, and then click the bell icon to be notified when we send out more great manifestation content. This is your go-to channel that really provides you techniques and methods on how to manifest everything that you want, especially financially. All right, let's get into it here. So the main principle we want to understand is you're not manifesting alone. Even though, you know, when you look at yourself physically in the mirror, you're just you, right? I'm just me. And it looks like that, you know, we're not connected to the people around us. Your dad is your dad, your brother's your brother, your partner's your partner. You know, it doesn't, your friend's your friend. It doesn't matter who it is, right? We're not connected to those people physically, but we are energetically. Whether you've already heard that before or not, we really want to have a refresh on this that says we're all connected at an energetic, vibrational level, if you will. Very, very important to understand, because at a universal level, a subconscious level, we're all connected at the same time right here and now in this space to all people. People over in Asia are connected to people in North America, South America, Europe. We're all connected at an energetic level. Now, when you put out what you want, you ask for something like, I want to manifest an extra $5,000. I want to manifest an extra sale. I want to manifest a soulmate, you know, whatever it is, that specific person. What you want to understand is you're not asking from a physical standpoint. You don't want to ask through physical eyes. You want to ask through spiritual eyes, if you will. You want to ask from an energetic standpoint, realizing as soon as you ask for what you want and feel it to be true today, what's set in motion is called the bridge of incidents, the bridge of happenings, the bridge of unfolding events. Now, I got this term from Neville Goddard, if you heard of the great spiritual teacher, Neville Goddard. The bridge of incidents literally is the bridge between now and your manifestation actually occurring physically. So you're receiving the money, you're receiving the manifestation, whatever it is. That time period, that bridge between this reality that you're operating in right now and the future reality, even though it's happening right now energetically, the future reality physically of when you receive your manifestation, there's a bridge there. The universe helps you with this bridge. This is the most mind-blowing thing in manifestation. You will have 1,000 times more faith during this video, and faith is everything. Once you believe you actually can acquire what you want, it's going to come into your life. It's a guarantee, it's a certainty, it's not a hope or wish. But you got to really feel it. It's got to be at a feeling level that you believe, not at a thought level. Okay, so this bridge of incidents literally occurs when you see in your imagination what you want. You see an end scene. You see yourself already in possession of the thing you want. You see yourself living with the partner that you want, the soulmate that you want. You see yourself in possession of the money you want. You see yourself in possession of the business success that you're looking for. You see an end scene indicating you're already there. As you see that end scene, you need to feel it to be true today. And how you do that is match your mental chatter, because thoughts induce feeling. So you're going to match your mental chatter with the end scene that you want. As soon as that's done, it's boom, it's activated, drops into the subconscious mind, almost like a seed, if you will, planted into the ground. And as that's planted, it's now sent in all places at all times. Okay, so what happens from there after you activate that is you're going to run into occurrences as long as you remain in faith and you're not just worried and doubtful the entire time. As long as you remain in some belief and some faith. The bridge of incidents are going to unfold for you to attain the thing that you just asked for, that you just saw in your mind. Examples of this would be, you see the right ad on Facebook or YouTube or, you know, wherever it is at the right time for the right marketing course that you were looking for. You're like, man, I need some marketing advice in my business. I have no idea what to do. I need guidance. I need support. Boom. You go through your feed and you see the right message at the right time. Okay. This happened to me. It happens to me all the time still, is when somebody tells you an idea and it was the right idea at the right time. You're like, you know, no kidding. I mean, this is coincidence that you're telling me about this idea when I've been thinking about doing this thing, and that's the perfect idea I needed, right? The person tells you about the nutrition program that they just got into, and it was like, man, I've been looking to get a little healthier, more full of vitality, and they told you the right thing at the right time. It's what people call divine timing. Right, happened to me where I needed a new business idea to really bring things to a higher level, and then actually had somebody tell me the right idea at the right time that literally clicked into place. I heard the idea, it felt so good, so intuitively I know it's right, put it into action, literally doubled the business in the month. Okay. Other things could be that you see a random message, a magazine when you're checking out at the grocery store, or a random book kind of comes to you. You feel it, you go to a bookstore, whatever it is, and you see the right title of the right book at the right time. That happened to me with the book by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, which you might have heard of before, right? So you get these things going on the external plane. It's like things pop up. You know, the right person at the right time says the right thing to you at the right place, right? All these rights, if you will. You're attracted to a special event, and in the special event you felt intuitive to go there, and you meet the right person, or you see the right message at the right time. Now, not only on the external does this happen, but it also happens on the internal. You might gain a hunch, inspiration. You know, you feel like you're supposed to go somewhere. You feel like you're supposed to do something. Oftentimes you can't explain it to anybody. You don't know why you need to do that. You don't know why you need to quit your job and start a business, but you need to, right? You just feel it, right? It feels at home. It feels like unexplainable sometimes, right? So these intuitive hunches will come to and through. You're doing mindless activity of driving, taking a shower, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, and since you're not overthinking, the right idea comes. You're like, oh my God, that's a great idea. Where'd that come from? So again, this is called the bridge of incidents. Go ahead in the comments below and say, I now activate my bridge of incidents for all of my desires. I now activate the bridge of incidents for all of my desires. Go ahead and comment that below. It's going to activate that phrase in your life. This bridge right here is helping you. It's aiding you. And that's why you're not alone in this co-creation. That's why the how your manifestation is going to come is none of your business. Okay, and that's a really good way. It's not a harsh way of saying it. It's a really good way of saying, hey, it's none of my business. I don't have to figure out how. I can do plans in my business. I can work with strategy. I can have mentors that guide me, absolutely. But I don't need to know how every little thing is going to line up for me to receive this, for me to meet the right person, for me to have this money come in. That's all I got to know. Is my job is to feel the thing I want right now, and then not block myself from it. Let and allow, essentially. Allow these bridge of incidents to unfold. There's two different outlooks people have when they're manifesting. Physical eyes, they say, you know, how's this going to come? Where's it going to come from? Right? They're in habitual overthinking. The greatest manifestors on this planet are thinking in terms of, I'm aligned with the universe. The universe is always helping me deliver what I want. I notice things happening around me that are in congruence with what I want. Right? So they're not overthinking. They see what's going on in their reality. They literally can see their reality shifting. Now, it's not some magic matrix thing going on here, okay, with the idea of, you know, reality shifting or anything like that. It's just a truthful statement that things start to move in the direction of where you hold your conscious most of your time. Okay, so you might see this, So you want to look at it as a scientist. You literally want to write down your manifestation, and then you want to see your world starting to shift in congruence with that. See the person coming to you. See the thing moving towards you. See the opportunity that just came to you as evidence that things are moving in the right direction. Instead of doubting and worrying, okay, see the things around you as evidence, as signs, as signals that these bridge of incidents are unfolding for you. Really, really important awareness here. I'd watch this video every single day in full, because the biggest thing that plagues people is they don't believe in manifestation at a feeling level. They know it works. They know it's possible, but they don't feel it to be true. They don't feel that the universe is actually helping them. They don't feel, because what are they doing? They're looking through their physical eyes at the evidence. They don't see the results yet, so they doubt. Is this really happening? Is it really coming? Does this stuff really work for me? Right? So their mind is constantly questioning, which sends out the feeling of absence. It's not here, it's not here, it's not here. Guess what the universe is saying? Okay, it's not here, it's not here. So the bridge of incidents are activated to send you evidence that it's not working out for you. Right? So literally they're thinking about it, thought-induced feelings. So you're sending out the feeling of it's not here, universe, and universe just responds. It's not victimizing anybody. It's just sending out it's not here, circumstance. So we want to flip onto the frequency. It's here, it's here, it's here. Okay? And how you do that is, instead of looking through physical eyes, you look through spiritual eyes, from the higher plane to the lower. You say, through my spiritual eyes, I see this as an energetic world. I see myself as an energetic being. How I get the universe to work with me and co-create with me is to be in alignment with the universe, to be in alignment with what I want, see the unseen, activate the feeling, and then let it go and trust in these bridge of incidents to unfold with and through you. And as you move through life, life is going to also move towards you. You know, what you're seeking is seeking you is a common quote that we've all heard before, right? What you're seeking is seeking you at an energetic level, right? So if you want some money, is money really seeking you on a physical level? No. Is that cash, that bank statement, whatever it is that really seeking you? No, not at a physical level. An energetic level, it is. The circumstances are trying to find ways to allow you to actually experience a result in the least resistant, least effort possible. Very important principle. So have in your mind that this level of awareness is all about faith. It's all about bridge of incidents. It's all about really being in the essence of what you want. So the technique here today is not just some random technique, it's awareness. The technique is to watch this video every single day, over and over and over, until it fills your consciousness, the awareness of this manifestation game, this belief, this intense immersion in faith, to really understand how this stuff goes and what to do about it. All right, again, throw a comment in, or throw in the comments section below the phrase I mentioned earlier in the video to allow yourself to experience and activate these bridge of events and happenings. And if you haven't already, throw a like on the video and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. We'll make sure that you get notified for when we send out other great manifestation content. You're doing great. Keep moving it forward. You don't have to hope that things are going to work. You can have certainty. You can have faith. Scott Haug signing off here. And let me know in the comments below if these principles are useful to you. And if you have any questions around the bridge of incidents, I will be answering those questions as much as I can as we move forward, to allow yourself to get a little support as well on your journey. So go ahead and try it out here. Understand the bridge of incidents. Be in that faith mode. And as you increase your faith, you'll see results happening in your life.